Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is look at how you can access Office 365 from within Middlesbrough College or from home. First of all, if you open up the web browser of your choice, I'm using Google Chrome, and then search for Office 365. And it's the first option, Office 365 login. And when I click into that, it will ask me to sign in. So if I click on the sign in button, I then need to put in my student ID, followed by @middlesbrough.ac.uk, and then my password will be the same as the one that I use to log into the computer that I'm on. So when I've logged in, I'm taken to my Office 365 dashboard, and across here you see all of the apps that are within Office 365. First of all, if you're using this on your own PC or your own laptop, you can actually download a copy of all of the Office tools for free. If you click on Install Office, download a copy of everything that Office 365 has to offer, so you can work offline. You don't have to be on Office 365. So a full version of Microsoft Word, a full version of Excel, and so forth. What we're going to do now is just quickly have a look at the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint tools online. I've logged into Office 365, and if I click into one of these, it will give me a slightly cut down version of the same tools that I would have used as an installed program. But the benefit of this is that you can access it from anywhere where you've got an internet connection. You don't have to have Microsoft Word installed. As long as you have a web browser, you can access the tools such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Okay, so we're now going to move on to OneDrive, because this is what you're going to use to store a lot of your work and also share it possibly with your tutors and other students. So OneDrive is one of the first apps on the page. If I click on it, it will open up all of the files that I have that I've created already. So I've created several files, and if I want to create a brand new folder, all I need to do is at the top of the page here, if I click on the new button, it gives me all of the options of what I can create brand new here. So the thing we're going to create first is a new folder. So if I click on folder, and I can give it whatever name I want, and click create, and you'll see that it's just been created there. And when I open it up, I can then start filling this folder up. So it might be that I want to create a brand new Word document within this folder. So I can do that by clicking on new and choose whichever option I want. So I want a Word document. So I've created my file, I've given it a name, and now I can start working on it. With Office 365, you never need to click save in the top left hand corner, because if you are working in the online tools, they will save as they go along. So I've created this document. It's only available for me to see at the moment. I might want to share it with my tutor, or I might want to share it with one of my other fellow students to work on it with me. So if I want to do that, over on the right hand side of the page, I've got this share button here. And if I click on that, and I click on this box here, this allows me to select specific people within Middlesbrough College, and it allows me to choose if I give them editing rights or not. So if you're sharing this to collaborate with your fellow students, then you probably want this checked so that you can both work on it at the same time. And when you click on apply, you can then start typing in the name of your tutor and then send them a message. And all you then need to do is click send, and what will happen is this Word document that we've worked on will be sent to your tutor, and then they'll be able to open it up and access it. Anything stored on OneDrive can also be uploaded to Canvas as an assignment submission. What do I mean by that? Take a look at this for an example. So I'm on Canvas now, and I want to submit my assignment. So if I click on the submit assignment button, I can click on Office 365. And what it will do is it will ask me to log in. And once I've successfully logged in, I will be able to upload a file directly from my OneDrive to Canvas. If you want to use any of the Office 365 suite on your phone or tablet, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and find the individual apps. So for example, you would download the Microsoft OneDrive app separately from the Microsoft Word app, and the Teams app would be separate, and so forth. You'd download them individually rather than all together.